Hello guys and happy new year. So this is François and I wanted to do a quick explanatory video on how this rotating block is working in the game. So actually it's quite simple. So the only thing really to understand is that the value you input, you send a value between 0 and 1, will dictate the position, the target position of the children entity of the rotating block. So for example, if we input 0.25, it will rotate 90 degrees, and now 0.5 we are at 180 degrees position, and so on up until the full rotation, so 360 degrees. Okay, and now this is really maybe the thing that is the most complicated to understand, but once you get it, it's actually very simple. So these two blocks are in the exact same position, but their logical status is very different. So this one is at 360 degree, which corresponds to a value of 1, and this one is at 0 degree, which corresponds to a value of 0. Okay, so if right now I input a value of 0.5 for example for two blocks, this one will actually rotate counterclockwise like this. Okay, whereas this one, which is 0, will rotate this way. Okay, so clockwise. So I will show you that. So let's input 0.5. As you can see, the block is rotating like that, simply because it will rotate. It will take all the value between 1 and 0.5, which are 360, 300 degree, 200 degree, and so on. Okay, and this one right now will rotate like this. Okay, so this is the only thing to understand. So once you have a mechanism, so for example you want to go from this position to this one, but maybe you want to rotate clockwise, so you will have to be careful at your starting position, so whether it's 0 or 1. So you can just do a few tests to try out, and that's it. So this is really the only thing to understand with a rotating block. So now, for example, once you want to do a mechanism that rotates, so for example between 0 and 0.25, so there is actually a block that is very convenient to do that, and that is the mix command. Okay, so this is a logical command, so we can take it. So I think I have already one here, and this command actually will do a linear interpolation between A and B. Okay, so as you can see, there is A and B with an interpolation factor that is basically the signal you send inside. So I will just do a quick demo. So always link the output, red output button, to your system, and then the switch will link to the input in blue. Okay, and now right now we can set the two values. So for A we are okay with 0, so it's fine, but for B we will input 0.25, enter, and as you can see right now, when I am activating the switch, so right now it's at 0, but now the switch is at 1, but it will map to the value of B, which is 0.25. Okay, it won't go outside. So actually it will do really mathematically linear interpolation. So it means that when we are at 0.5, we will be in the middle of A and B. Okay, it's just remap the interval to A and B. So it's actually very simple. So for example, if we want to go from 0.5 to 0.75, okay, enter, you can see now the block will rotate between these two values. Okay, so with this mix block, this mix command, it is very easy to create a rotating mechanism once you understand really the 0 and 1 fact about rotating block. Okay, so that's it. So tell me if this video is clear or if you need more explanation. So see you guys.